Hi guys, today I will take you to a legendary hotel that marked the beginning of a new era of luxury tourism in Dubai, Atlantis The Palm. Atlantis The Palm is located at the very top of the world-famous Palm Jumeirah, a man-made wonder visible even from space. Here you are greeted by a grand Arabic-style facade, marble columns, fountains, and the atmosphere of an Arabian fairy tale with marine decoration. The interiors blend the grandeur of an Arabian palace with the mystery of an underwater kingdom. The central lobby is crowned by iconic 10-meter Dale Chihuly glass sculpture, a masterpiece made of more than 3,000 hand-blown pieces.
Such an interesting pearl installation in the lobby of Atlantis The Palm.
The famous aquarium at Atlantis The Palm. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews of hotels in the United Arab Emirates and other countries.
Amazing, so many fishes and stingrays and sharks.
Palm View Queen room category, 45 square meters. Sofa can be used like extra bed.
Amazing view overlooking the Palm, the Atlantis the Royal, and of the Dubai skyline.
The hotel grounds, the pools, there is even some animation going on right now. Light colors in decoration. Beach bag. A coffee machine. Such an interesting minibar fridge divided into two sections. Nice food tours and bathrooms. I love this wooden decor. It looks like whitewashed wood. To support my channel, you can book your hotel stay via the link in the description under this video. The bathroom also has a view. Soft plush sleepers. Ironing facilities. The hotel features more than 1,500 rooms and suites, including the legendary underwater suite where glass walls let you live surrounded by marine life, right from your bedroom. Atlantis The Palm is also perfect for families with world-class facilities for children, a kids club, water slides, play areas and programs for teens. The hotel also has a club lounge where guests can enjoy snacks and drinks throughout the day, including cocktails.
Famous studio fronts and social dining and bar.
The resort is home to over 20 restaurants and bars featuring world-renowned names like Nobu, Gordon Ramsay's, Bread Street Kitchen, C5 Steakhouse, and Oceana, a restaurant with panoramic windows looking directly into an aquarium with over 65,000 sea creatures. It's one of the most atmospheric dining experiences in the world.
Sunset Lounge. Atlantis The Palm Beach.
Every guest enjoys complimentary access to the Aquaventure water park, the largest in the Middle East.
Splashdown.
and to the Lost Chambers Aquarium, where you can see sharks, rays, and thousands of tropical fish. For adventure lovers, there is a diving center, dolphin and sea lions experiences at Dolphin Bay, yacht rentals, and marine excursions right from the hotel's private marina. For those seeking relaxation, a private 1-kilometer beach, 2 large pools, and a spa. And now let's take a look at the Regal Suite, a 1-bedroom suite that's incredibly spacious with a terrace overlooking the Palm. There is a door between the living room and the bedroom, so the space can be separated, perfect for families. Kids can sleep on the pull-out sofa in the living room. There's also a bar counter here. In the bedroom, 1 large bed and an additional lounge sofa. What a bathroom! It's really huge and really stylish and connected to the big walking-in dressing room. Flip-flops, soft sleepers, very comfy, very soft bathrobes, ironing facilities, 2 sinks in the bathroom, mouthwash, and these beautiful little cosmetic drawers. The toiletries here are Aqua di Parma, used in all luxury suites. The resort never sleeps, with shows, bars, pool parties, and romantic dinners under the stars. You can also take a quick trip to the nearby Atlantis The Royal to see the fountain show. A complimentary shuttle runs regularly between the 2 hotels.